Okay, so hi students. I think we can start the session. Uh, it's going to be an interactive session today. Okay, we'll have a look at the verbal questions in accent shop aptitude test. This is done by a company called CoCubes. I hope you know it's a test preparation company. So what we are going to do is we'll have a look at the types of questions that come, and one by one I'll ask each student to answer the questions. You can involve yourself and uh, you know let it be quite interactive today. Okay. In this particular set one, we have about 20 questions. We'll try and do as many as possible. Okay. As you can see, questions 1 to 4 are based on this passage. So this is reading comprehension. Okay, so they ask about 4 to 5 questions based on reading comprehension. We need not do this right now. We can skip this. It's like a normal reading comprehension passage. So lots of them are available on the internet, and the answers are pretty straightforward. It's not twisted at all. So next type of question is question number 5. As you can see, they have given 4 sentences like this: A, B, C, and D. So what they are asking over here is you need to rearrange the sentences based on the flow. So you would have done jumbled sentences, right? In the previous 2 3 semesters in the verbal classes, you would have done jumbled sentences. So this is the same type. Okay, so even this we can skip, not necessary right now. So we'll go to fill in the blanks directly. Uh, I'll ask one student to answer this. Okay, Sushmant, can you hear me? Yeah, Sushmant, can you answer this question? Question 7. Very good. Perfect answer, because immediately refers to current moment. So when you say call the police immediately, you're instructing someone to do this, right? Fine. Good. Okay, next. For question number 8, uh, I can ask Dilly Babu. Dilly Babu, can you hear me? Dilly Babu. Yeah. Can you answer question number 8? Sushmant, you can mute your phone. Yeah, Dilly Babu. Had, correct. So answer is C. What do you mean by record rainfall? Hello? Dilly Babu is not answering. Can anyone else say what do you mean by record rainfall? Correct. Say extremely heavy rainfall is called record rainfall. Fine, good. What about question number 9? Yes, Kishore, you yourself can answer this. We have no default to cheap labor. Huh? Are you sure? Does it make sense? Okay, what is the meaning of shortcoming? Let me give you a clue. He has many shortcomings. Have you heard that? Shortage. Shortage means scarcity. Scarce means not available in plenty. Correct? Not available in plenty. That means rare. Yeah. So scarcity is the answer. Yeah. Okay. Next, for question number 10, let me ask Priyanka. Can you answer? Yeah. Question number 10. Can you answer that? Remind me by posting. No, that's not the correct answer. Correct answer is you need to use the infinitive. Remind me to post. You remind someone to do something always, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Good. Pratik has answered to post. Fine. He has sent a chat message. Fine. Good, Pratik. Okay. 11th one, I will leave it open to everyone. I'm not sure if you guys know the meaning of this word. Does anyone know the meaning of cousin? No. See, cousin means to trick or to deceive or to cheat. So in that case, what would be the opposite? Treat honestly. Very good. Fine. Okay. What about question number 12? Let me ask Charan Sai. Can you answer? Third, B or C? Which one? B. Raising. Okay. What is the meaning of raising? You're right. Answer is correct. But what is the meaning of raising? Raising means growing or cultivating. Right. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Good. Next question. Let me ask Sumana. Sumana, can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah. Can you answer question number 13? No. See, ancient times over here means one starting time. For example, if I change this to 200 AD, okay, that means it's the year of start. What do you use when you have a particular time of start? You are supposed to use since. Correct? Yeah. Yeah. So since is your correct answer. Next, question number 14. Let it go to Manisha. Yeah. Can you answer question number 14? It's not made. Okay. What is summons? The court sends a paper to a person's house calling him to appear in front of the court. Correct? Yeah. So, no, no, no. It has to be with. The court has yet to serve him with a paper. You serve someone with a paper or summons. Okay. What about question number 15? Can anyone, hold on, let me ask. This is B. Who's that? What's your name? Okay, tell me, Karthik, can you answer question number 15? Do you know the meaning of facile? Perfect. Facile means something not difficult, something which is very, very easy to do, something which is very simple to do. Okay, very nice. Good answer. Right. Now, question number 16. Let me ask Dinesh Saurya. Can you answer this? Dinesh, can you hear me? No answer. Charan? Hello, Charan. Can you hear me? I think they'll hear me only during attendance. Okay. What about Jyotika? Can you guys hear me? Or is something wrong? Hello. Can everyone hear me? Hmm. Okay. Anybody can answer this. That's not a problem. I don't want to. What is the meaning of deluge? Yes, good. Kishore has answered. Yeah, deluge means flood. Very good. You must remember that in 2015 when Chennai had its floods, right? That time all over the papers, it was mentioned that the city got, into a lot of trouble, into a lot of chaos because of the deluge. Very good. Deluge means flood. Fine. Question number 17 can go to, who is this KD Cook? யாருப்பா அது? ஆன்சரே பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறான். வைஷாலி? Hello, Vaishali. Okay, anyone else? Anybody can answer. Not fall in. Ah, correct. It's fall under. Because, see, I'll tell you how to figure this out. Here, you just check this, the new wave of cafes. Okay. So, here what happens is, cafes are small restaurants, correct? What do you mean by the new wave of cafes? Maybe it's a modern type of cafe, correct? There may be many modern types of cafes. So at that point of time, you're talking about a category of cafes. So the new wave of cafes is a particular category. So you must have heard this item falls under this category. Have you heard of that? Have you guys heard that an item falls under a category? That's how you're supposed to figure this out. Okay, that's the logic behind it. What about question number 18? Janani, Janvi, can you answer? Janani, Janvi, Kamali, can you guys hear me? Tell me now. Correct. But what do you mean by upliftment? Hmm. Sorry? Betterment or development programs. So the village development programs, they're talking about that. Okay. Now, see, question number 19 is a new type of question. So here, what they say is, this is the particular sentence. They have divided it into three parts. So the first part is till here. So they have labeled it as A. These are called sentence error questions. This is part B and this is part C. So if you find that in any one of these parts there is an error, you have to choose that. If you feel A has an error or B has an error, you'll have to do that. Okay. But otherwise, do you think anything is wrong with this sentence? If you feel there is no error in the sentence, you can choose D. Anyone can answer. Is there anything wrong in this sentence? Correct. So this sentence is absolutely fine in terms of grammar. So there is no error in this sentence. What about this sentence? Do you think there is any error? Why? No, you're absolutely wrong. Whenever you use one of the, you always have to put a plural noun only after that. Because see, the logic behind that is one of many only, right? It has to be one of many. So it has to be one of the members. This is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Anything else wrong with the sentence? There is an error in the sentence. That also I'll tell you. Something is wrong. Correct. Pratik has answered perfectly. See, doubt itself is a question, isn't it? On top of that, if you put if, it's a double use of doubt. So this has to be changed to that. One of the members expressed doubt that the minister was an atheist. And what is an atheist? Who is an atheist? Perfect. Very nice. Okay, so that's all for today. We have done about 15 plus questions. So in the next class, whenever it happens, maybe tomorrow or day after, we'll have a look at a few more questions, so you get an idea on what kind of verbal questions come in and how you're supposed to tackle them. We'll see strategies like we did today. Okay. So I'll just take your attendance and then we'll wind up for today. Um, okay. Dinagaran, Dili Babu, Dinesh, okay. Dinesh, Divakar, Divya, Maunya, okay. Raju Krishna, Yogesh, Samuel, uh, Elavarsan, Rupesh, Nitish, Sai, Sumant, Sai Sumant, Charan Sai, Gala Charan, Ganesh T, Dinesh, Anish, Goodwin, Gautami, Priyanka, Uma, Anisha. Anish is there. Goodwin is not there. Gautami, are you there? No. Priyanka is there. Okay. Anupama Chaudhary. Okay. Where is that man? Valla Charana. Okay. Done. Okay. Sumana, Hariharan, Harita, Hemlata, Hemavati, Manisha, Idris, Ritvik, Jay Vigneshwaran, Janani Priya, Janani R, Janani R, Janavi, Pratik Reddy, Nandakumar, Jyotika, Joy Pravina, Yashwant Reddy, Vaishali, Kamali, Sai Prakash Reddy, Karan, Sushman, Karthi, S, Karthik B, not S, Sushman present. Okay. 114, not available. 115 is available. Okay. Karthikeyan S, Karunya, Shashi Kumar Reddy, Kavya, Nandini, Kishore HK, Kishore HK, there. Kishore EL, Kishore M, Kishore Kumar R, okay. Jashwant, Nikhil, Nagacharan, Kokila Priya, Nagacharan. Okay. Anil Naidu. Okay. Did I miss anyone? Janvi. Number ma? 81. Yes, marked present. Janvi 102. Okay. And Jyotika 106. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? All right. Fine. Then that's all for today. We'll wind up this session. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.